How to use Lowe's gift card or redeem online. To use your Lowe's gift card online, you can apply it during a checkout procedure or as a payment method as well. So what you need is, if you have Lowe's app installed to your device, now simply open the app, lock in. Here, you want to make sure to go ahead and start adding item to your cart. I'm just going to go ahead and randomly select product. So here you go, you have all these items right on this page. Select shop all and you could start adding item to the cart. So simply you could go ahead and start adding. Once you're done adding item to your cart, go to the cart from the bottom of the page. This is where you will be able to see all your details. You could go ahead and select sign in to checkout. If you've not signed in, then this kind of options will appear. So if you've already signed in, you'll see the checkout. Select that out, and next you might be asked to add in your shipping address, and after which the payment method. So in the payment field, you just want to make sure to carefully look out for our gift card promo code section, and you just have to go ahead and enter in or scratch the card or just add in a clickable link, and that is how you'll be able to get or use your gift card or redeem it online. So this is how you'll be able to get a discount as well. So with that, we've completed our steps. Thank you for watching. See you in our next video.